Schoenemann across the red line with it. McEachran stops inside the right wing point, moves toward the middle, now drifts on the wall to Dvorsky, back to the point, space for Johannesson to fire, he scores! Again. Thunderbirds tripling up the Islanders and shots. McGing a steal. McGing the shot and a shoulder save by. Got it out to Johannesson, who walks the line. Left wing feed Leo Luke. Back to Johannesson. Firing again. He scores again! To escape the pressure of Terry. Bolduc with it at the right point, drifting in and shooting. Ellis, a save on a deflection, but Foudy able to wrap the rebound in front, and Terry tucks it home. Koskemaki and low for Luff. Luff centers one in front. It bounced off a stick, and Foudy now moves the other way. Foudy challenging Johannesson one-on-one, wide to the left wing. Foudy, bad angle shot, he scores! Smith right wing feed Maggio out of his skates, settles it, but then never could get a shot away. Schoenemann now lobs it ahead to center. Love's behind the defense. Matt Love in alone. Stopped by Tikkanen with the pass. Springfield zone, trying to dodge loose from Pekka, but Pekka swipes it. And now the T-Birds with more numbers ahead for Love. Left wing for Pekka, dropping Stenberg. He shoots, glove, save. Harrington back up the wall. Copperud lets it go to the point. Bolduc fires, blocked by Dickinson, who'll move the other way. Tanner Dickinson trying to pull ahead. Dickinson cuts in. Couldn't get a shot away cleanly. Save made. Rebound in front, and Tikkanen a save on Callan, and he shuts it down. Skinner hustling back, and he'll get to it before Jamel Smith, but Smith then swiped it. Smith on the left wing has a man crashing, centers it, and missing the net wide was Foudy. Smith trying to jam it back in front. Ellis got back. No, he didn't. They scored. They rule it a goal as Smith was able to jam it back in before Ellis could get across. And the Islanders, with 3 unanswered in the second, have come all the way back to take a 3-2 lead with 1:38 left in the frame. We're going to take a look at this one on and emerged. No goal. And for what feels like the first time all year, Steve Konowalchuk and the T-Bird bench get a result they were looking for in a replay review. We now get a look at it on the overhead. As Harrington went sliding down, Smith had a chance to tuck it in. Harrington actually made the save on the goal line. I have no clue how Scott Harrington made that save that he made. Bolduc will hammer it up the near side. LaFerriere read it well and kept it in the zone. Stenberg into the slot. McGing the shot. He scores! Mitchell now at the line, flips one, blocked in traffic. Foudy had a chance at the loose puck, but couldn't get it to his forehand. Now Warren at the point, sends it in low. Smith to the front, Foudy scores! He has just been all try to wear down the T-Birds on the forecheck. Thompson at the left point covers to keep it in and shoots. Save made, rebound, they score. Liukis at the net front. Picks up the rebound. Bolduc a chance to clear again. He'll lob at the center. Schoenemann loves it down, but only 3 seconds remain, and the T-Birds are going to run out of time.